So I'm looking for a polynomial. It's got degree 5, so that tells me it's going to look something like this when I'm done, right? It looks like a odd leading coefficient versus an even, right? So that helped me along. Now they're telling me it has roots of multiplicity at 2 at x equals 4 and at x equals 0. So we've got, let's see, we've got a root at 0, we've got a root at x equals 4, and a root at x equals -2. And this is a double root where, let's see, where the double roots at 4 and at 0. Okay, so I think it's going to look something like this. I'm getting my that way I'm getting my ending behavior. Right? It's heading off to positive infinity going to, as x gets to infinity, heading off to negative infinity as x goes to negative infinity. I've got a bounce going on here, that double root, and another bounce going on here, double root, and that's the single root. And let's see, they aren't telling me anything other than the leading coefficient of 1. They aren't telling me any other points. So this is the graph of it, or a graph of a function that satisfies that. So we'll write p of x equals my x plus 2. Take care of that factor. I've got to have an x squared because it's the double root, and I've got to have a x minus 4 squared. If I were to expand this all out, let's have x to the 5th. It's got a leading coefficient of 1. That should do it for us. Hope that helps.